Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to correct understeering. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of properly correcting understeering. Now let me explain what understeering is. Understeering is basically when you understeer. It's when you steer too little. So if you can imagine that, let's say you had to take a turn and you had to turn the wheel half of a turn. If you only turn the wheel a quarter of a turn, that's understeering because you're not turning the wheel as much as you need to. That is understeering in a basic nutshell. Now, there are two main reasons why people understeer, and I'm going to tell you how to correct both of those ways. So let's just go over the ways to correct understeering. So the first way to correct understeering, and it is if you just are unsure about how much to turn the wheel and you're just not turning it enough, then the first way to correct it would be to just turn the wheel a little bit more in the middle of the turn. So I'm going to turn right over here and I'm going to purposely understeer. So you'll see that as I turn right, let's make sure there's no cars. There's a car right there. I don't want to scare the driver, put them at a risk for being into a potential accident. So I just took that turn regularly, but there's another turn up ahead. So I'm going to purposely understeer when I take this turn. So I'm going to steer too little. So let's say I'm going to take this turn over here and I'm going to understeer. So I'm approaching the turn, doing my safety checks, and I understeer. I'm about to hit the curb, so I turn the wheel a bit more. That's the first way, and that's probably the most common way to correct understeering. All that you have to do is, before you hit the curb, before you get into the near accident, just turn the wheel a bit more. Let's say I wanted to take this turn, and I'm understeering, and then, whoa, I just turn the wheel a bit more. So when you turn the wheel regularly, you're going to be turning it and holding it. That's generally what you do when you turn right or left. And when you're holding it, if you realize that you're understeering, crank the wheel a little bit more. Don't crank it, like you don't have to turn it all the way, but just give it a little bit of extra juice to make that turn properly. So let's say I was understeering here. Whoa, crank the wheel a bit more, just like that. Simple way, probably the easiest and most common way to correct understeering. Now, the second way to correct understeering is a little bit more complex, and it's when drivers have a problem with matching up their acceleration and their turning of the wheel. So generally speaking, you should basically be pressing the gas pedal and also turning the wheel, starting to turn the wheel at roughly the same time. Now, if you understeer, this might be the reason why you have a problem with it, and it is because you are basically pressing the gas pedal before you're turning the wheel. So check this out. I'm just going to let this truck go ahead, and I'm going to press the gas pedal, and I'm going to turn the wheel now, and I understeer, and I have to really crank that wheel to correct that steering, okay? And that's because I pressed the gas pedal before I turned the wheel, aka I turned the steering wheel too late. If you turn the wheel too late and you're turning it just a regular amount, then you're going to be understeering. And the way to correct that is to turn the steering wheel and also accelerate at roughly the same time when you're starting a turn from a standstill, okay? Very simple. Let's go ahead and make this turn, and then I'll show you exactly what I mean. So the way to correct it is, if you're starting a turn from a standstill, aka at a stop sign, then you need to make sure that you are starting to press the gas pedal and turning the steering wheel at roughly the same time. So check this out. I'm going to come to a complete stop right over here, just like this. And as I make this turn, I'm going to accelerate and turn the wheel at roughly the same time. That is a way that I would correct understeering if my problem was that I was accelerating way before I started turning the wheel. So in this video, I've gone over two ways to correct understeering, and I've also explained the reasoning behind people understeering and what it is. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.